Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we will be discussing about HTML list tags. So first of all, we will start with basic introduction part where I will tell you definitions of list tag, how you can exactly use these tags with the help of syntax, and what are the different types of list tags. So all these tags, all these types are very important. So here this is our lecture number 9 in the series and this is the list tags part 1. So let's move to the introduction part. So list tag allow web developers to group a set of related items in list. Suppose if you want to make a list in general, we always write it like ABCD XYZ. इस तरह से हम जो ये सिंबल्स यूज करते हैं या फिर जब हम किसी स्टूडेंट्स की लिस्ट बनाते हैं, सो वी ऑलवेज राइट 1 2 3 4 5 इस तरह से. So this is how we want to create a list by using HTML tags. So here HTML offers authors three ways for specifying lists of information. All lists must contain one or more list elements and it contains UL. UL stands for unordered list. OL stands for ordered list. Here DL stands for definition list, and LI, that is very important, is list item. So this is the basic introduction. Now we will start the basic types of list tag. First of all, we start with unordered list. So an unordered list is a collection of related items that have no special order or sequence. Suppose if I created a list by using 1 2 3 4 or ABCD. So here in both the types we have some specific order or sequence that is called ordered list. But here we are talking about unordered list where we don't have any special order or sequence. We always use any kind of symbol like circle, like dots, tick mark, anything we can use. That is called unordered list. So if we want to create an unordered list, so we always use UL tag, right? So always write UL tag, that is unordered list. We always need to close, there is always need to close UL tag, and under these tags we always use LI tag, that stands for list item. Without this LI tag, UL tag is nothing. It does not work properly if it does not use LI tag with UL or OL tags, right? So as we are talking about unordered list, so we use UL. Now let's begin the practical section. So in this section we will start only unordered list. Okay, so in the body section you need to write unordered list. After that just close this UL tag, right? So within these tags always remember to write LI. LI means list item. LI means list item. Okay, so there is always a need to close this LI tag, right? So don't forget to close this. So when I write anything, suppose apple, mango, just copy and paste like this. Okay, इस तरह से हम कुछ भी items add कर सकते हैं. I am not changing last two items. Okay, save this unordered.html, save, and when we run this section unordered.html, so you can see here is the list items. Let me just increase the size. ओके, सो एप्पल, मैंगो, बनाना, मैंगो, मैंगो, इस तरह की लिस्ट हमने यहाँ पे बनाई थी, वो एज इट इज आ गई. दिस इज कॉल्ड अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट. When a list don't have any particular order, when a list don't have any particular sequence, then it is called unordered list. Now let's talk about types of attributes in unordered list. By default यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो ब्लैक कलर के सर्कल्स यूज आ गए, and if we use attribute type with this unordered list, so we can change these dots. Okay, we can change these dots. So we can use square, disk and circle. So मैंने आपको हमेशा बताया है कि जब भी हम लोग एट्रीब्यूट्स को यूज करते हैं, जैसे कि हमने यूज किया था फॉन्ट का एट्रीब्यूट, ये था फॉन्ट टैग। जब हम इसका एट्रीब्यूट यूज करते थे तो वी यूज टू राइट लाइक दिस एंड देन ब्रैकेट क्लोज। सो इन टैग्स के बीच में ही हम एट्रीब्यूट लिखते हैं। सो हमें क्योंकि लिस्ट को, पूरी की पूरी लिस्ट को ये एट्रीब्यूट देना है, सो वी राइट this type here. Okay, so unordered, just copy and paste. Okay, just I'm using here type is equals to circle. Save and refresh. So you can see the difference here. Okay, so this is how circle attribute work. Now I will use disk. Now I will use disk attribute. Okay, so type is equals to disk. Save and refresh. So this is disk. So by default यहाँ पे disk ही हम always use करते हैं. So there is no need to use disk if we want to add this. ठीक है? So by default disk use होता है. So circle we have already used. So now I am changing this to square. Save and refresh. So you can see the difference here. Okay, so disk, circle and square तीन attributes हम HTML unlisted tag में use कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, unordered list में हम इस तरह से चीजों को use कर सकते हैं. So you can see these types. Okay, so I hope everything is clear now. So in next part of this video we will start with ordered list. Before that I will tell you that how you can use bold, italic or underline along with these tags. If I want to change the color, suppose I want to italic the complete list, so I use I tag over here before UL, and after closing the UL I'm just closing the italic tag. So refresh, you can see the difference here. Okay, now I want to change the color of this list. So just I'm adding font color is equals to blue. Okay, just a second. Font color is equals to blue. Now close this tag. Font. Save and refresh. So you can see the difference here. This is how we can use multiple tags in a web page. Okay, so in first list, let me just add some other thing. I am adding underline here. ठीक है, underline tag along with some other tag. Underline. Just run this tag and refresh. So you can see the difference here. So this is how you can use multiple tags. Now let's try one more thing here. If I want to change the color of this list also, so I just add font here. Font color is equals to red. Okay, and after U tag I will close this font tag. Save and refresh. So you can see the difference here. Okay, you can do so many experiments. अभी तक हम लोगों ने total 9 lectures discuss किए हैं. So in 9 lectures में आपने देखा होगा हमने multiple tags use किए. Multiple tags मैंने अलग अलग आपको बताए and इकट्ठे हम कैसे use कर सकते हैं वो भी मैंने आपको बताए. So you can do so many experiments with these with the help of some color tags, image tags, border tags. You can do everything in a single web page. ओके सो इस चीज को आप लोग जरूर एक बार ट्राई कीजिएगा. सो आई होप एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर नाउ. एंड इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो वेयर वी विल डिस्कस list tag part 2, we will discuss ordered list and its attributes. So thank you for watching this video.